Welcome to a landmark moment, the very first lecture in a groundbreaking 1,000-part series dedicated to unlocking the brilliance of human physiology. Today, we embark on a journey into the epicenter of life's force, our circulatory system. We'll decode why your arteries are the ultimate pressure regulators and discover how a single mighty mineral, magnesium, acts as a master conductor for your entire cardiovascular symphony. This isn't just biology, it's the elegant engineering that keeps you alive. Imagine a high-pressure hose designed to withstand and modulate tremendous force. That's your arterial system. Its secret weapon is a thick, muscular middle layer packed with smooth muscle cells. These muscles are under precise chemical control, constantly contracting and relaxing to change the vessel's diameter. This process, vasoconstriction and vasodilation, is the primary lever your body pulls to regulate blood pressure and direct blood flow. Every time you feel your pulse, you're feeling the power of this muscular, elastic recoil. Veins play a different game. Their walls are thinner, less muscular, and more distensible. They are designed for capacitance, acting as storage reservoirs for about 70% of your blood volume at rest. Their key structural features are one-way valves that prevent backflow against gravity, not powerful contractile walls. The pressure here is low, a gentle return flow to the heart. This structural dichotomy explains a fundamental clinical practice. Blood pressure is always measured in an artery. We do this because the pressure there is high and pulsatile, directly reflecting the systolic output of the heart and the resistance of the arterial tree. Venous pressure is too low to be measured with a standard cuff and doesn't tell us about cardiac workload or hypertension risk. Now, meet the mineral that directly speaks to those arterial muscles: magnesium. It's a cofactor in over 300 enzymatic reactions, but for our cardiovascular focus, it's a natural vasodilator and electrophysiological stabilizer. It antagonizes calcium, which is required for smooth muscle contraction. More magnesium means less calcium-driven constriction. It supports the health of the blood vessel lining, promoting the release of nitric oxide, a potent vasodilating gas. It modulates nervous system activity, helping to blunt stress-induced vascular constriction. Magnesium comes bound to different compounds, which alter its absorption and additional benefits. For blood pressure support, magnesium. Glycinate is often the premier choice due to its superb absorption and calming effect, addressing both physiological and stress-related hypertension factors. Magnesium supplementation is a supportive strategy, not a replacement for medication. Consult your physician before starting, especially if you have kidney issues or take other drugs, to ensure safety and avoid interactions.